Hello guys, this is, well, me of course. Yeah. So anyway, one of my friends wanted me to make a Muvizu, show me how to make it, and this is how good it is, just to show you guys. I kind of messed up on that one a little bit, not on timing or anything, it just kind of glitched a little bit, but today I'm going to show you guys how to get Muvizu. So where you go is Muvizu.com, and then it'll take you right to the animation software. You don't have to join or anything, so you click get Muvizu.
Muvizu is a revolutionary tool that makes animation easy, fast and affordable. Muvizu Play is completely free. It comes with everything you need to start animating: characters, objects, visual effects, sound effects, lights and cameras. You can work with our assets or import your own. Everything in Muvizu's 3D world is alive and customizable. Animating characters is as easy as giving them direction. Characters will even lip sync to your own voice. You can publish your animation anywhere and share it with anyone. Your audience will love your animated story. For business, Muvizu Play is a compelling way to tell stories. Using your animation in a commercial project is quick and simple. Imagine what Muvizu could do for your brand, product or company. Get Muvizu and start animating.
So that is, I guess so, and there's a bunch of tutorials and stuff. So mainly what you do is you scroll down and you say find out what version is right for you. This is free to download. And so I think what I have is the free version. Yeah. So mainly this is how I got Muvizu. I don't remember, but I wanted an animator, but I guess this isn't where I actually got it though. Yeah. So I went to animators. Whoops. And whoops. Windows animation software. So download cnet.com Windows, pause the video and open a new tab and put this down if you want to go and there, and I think it was on the 4th page. Or yeah, I was on the go to the 4th. Here it is. 4th page, and go to Muvizu-3D and then click download now. I already have it, so I'm going to cancel it because I already have it. And then once you open it, accept the license and terms and all that stuff. And there's one tricky part to it. I don't remember where it was. I'll try to figure it out. And anyway, so open the install. And so you want to uncheck everything if it asks you to check it, because it might. I've never done it. And you have Mac, iOS, and Android. And it might be a little frustrating when you click the download button, because we tried it a few times. Click the actual download button. Don't click the arrow into don't click that part. Okay guys? And I'm going to open the animator right now, and I'll be right back. Hi guys, I am back at Muvizu. This is the interface. Just wait for it to load the scene. Don't panic if it doesn't work, because it will cleanly go through. So anyway, you have military stuff, science fiction, like the Enterprise. Well, mainly, yeah. And there's a Star Trek one. I like that one. And there's spooky, and there's dead guys in it. Stuff. There's a campsite, courthouse, a bunch of stuff. And then you have your house, historical, and entertainment. There's a lot of entertainment. And then you have city. And then you have recent, and there's blank one. So I am going to load a blank one and show you a basic one. And so if it just keeps this interface, don't panic, because if you click the click and drag right button, and you look around, and there's red dots on the floor, and you can move, then you're ready. If it doesn't do that, I'd try to restart the program. So anyway, what you want to do is you want to click create, edit environment, and edit how you like it. I'm gonna edit the sky texture. I'm going to make I'm gonna make it black. And then the ground, I am going to make brown like dirt. Okay, so then you can see better. There's quite a difference. Oh, whoa. Oh, that is rad. I didn't know you could do that. Guys, WASD can move you also. You don't have to. Oh, and you can. I'm going to maximize it so you can see it better. And so anyway, you move the camera to a certain position, and if you look on the bottom of the screen, it will tell you down here. And then, so what you want to do is click create characters, and these will randomize. But if you do favorites, characters, fat man, man, woman, girl, and robot. Space robot, that's it. And girl is cowgirl, woman, angel, court officer, Harriet Harmon, policewoman, and witch. Man has a ton. I don't get why man has more. And you can add. And so I'm going to create one of mine. Spaceman for Trek. Boom. Trek Spaceman. And then also I created a army man. Pretty realistic. And he's not the fat man, he's the regular man. Oh, and if you look in the camera up here, that's hilarious. And if you click on the cameras, it will minimize it. Or you can go to view, scroll all the way down, hide camera's window. And then you can do show camera's window again. It's really simple to use. So I'm going to do a tricky thing because it gets really frustrating. You use the undo button to do everything. So this isn't basic, so let's say these two guys hate each other. Camera aligned, move it back a little bit. They are going to fight. I'm gonna have the military guy win. So anyway, what you do is click prepare character actions. you click on one of the animations, and if you want to fight, find fight, and go to first I'm gonna want him. Tom, what are you doing? Okay, never mind. So anyway, what you want to do is you want to go over, and I'm going to have the oh wait, this is the spaceman, so I'm gonna have the spaceman attack first. I'm sorry. Yeah, and so you can do a bunch, and if you look at your guy over here, you can click jump kick, roundhouse kick, slap left, and all this other crazy stuff. So I'm gonna first have him do a kick. You click OK. So I'm gonna do 3 in a row. I'm not gonna do like a long one because that's difficult. That's the next level up from tricky. And then I'm going to have him dodge B. That's my favorite dodge, I guess. And B. And then I'm going to have, because I want him to lose, I'm going to do impact and then twist KO. Boom. The twist KO is the most problem for me. So, and then I'm going to go over to the Army Man. And I'm going to have him, stop Tom. Okay, I'm going to have him attack. No, I'm going to have him get impact. And not twist KO. No, not ouch. Not hit. I think it was chest hit. Chest hit. That's actually a really realistic one. And then what the heck? So anyway, Tom, get out, please. Okay, well anyway, I'm gonna have. So which one am I on? Okay, so since he dodges it, I'm gonna have his attack, jump kick. You know what? Hook right. That's it. I don't want him to do. And then I'm going to do hook right, and then fight. Bye, everybody. What? Bye. Get Tom. Excuse that. Sorry that. I just said sorry. Sorry. There might be a few bangs on the door. So I'm going to have roundhouse kick for the ending. Okay, then what you do is you X out of them, click direct, and then you want to do character actions. You want to open this up bigger so you can tell. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. You have to, instead of in whatever that says, mood, fight. You want to do that to both of them so that they look like they're about to fight in the camera. So since you want to see the spaceman guy get hit, KO, you want it to be a little bit over. Whoops. A little bit over so that you can see the guy. So there's going to be a bunch of room over there. Then you click direct. So spaceman guy. You click direct down here, like the scene changer. Click it. You have a certain amount of time to get over to it. You press pause button quickly. You want only a small amount. Whoa. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, never mind. So that's just a And then you want to, okay, you want to switch over to army. Click direct. You want to do chest hit. As soon as he gets, okay, since I did that a little bit too late, I'm gonna click the back undo button. So, if you do it, sometimes you accidentally get rid of the whole thing. So I'm going to click direct actions again. So, two, one. Kick, pause. If you want to do this, the fighting, that's why it's initial labeled tricky, because you have to be really fast and accurate at your clicks. So you want like the diamond things in there to be touching, basically. So then you want to switch over to army guy, click direct, and wait for it. See? So I want to click back. Then I go back over here. And then I try it again. See, that was perfect timing. If you want to watch it again through the camera, I'll do that right now. Here. See? It's crazy how good this animator is. That's how I did the first one that you saw in the beginning of the video. How much longer do I have? Okay. I should be good. So anyway. And now I want to prepare hook right. Then you want to go over here. And you want to do it quickly. Okay, since I failed, and it didn't go, I'm going to play it to make sure. Oh, it did go. Sometimes it does that, so once you let it overlap a little bit of time, then you pause it, then you play it again, and you might see it. So now you want to switch over to Spaceman Trek.
Sorry to interrupt, but I have more laundry.
1 second. Sorry, my brother's really annoying sometimes. So,
Sorry to interrupt again.
annoying. I'm gonna play it back one more time. He shrugs his shoulders. So I'm gonna go back. One moment, I'm gonna, yeah. Okay, I kind of worked it out, I guess. So let's play it back. It's a long process. Since it didn't work, replay again. Direct. Oh, Iron Head. Oh, Spaceman guy doesn't matter. Look, he's like, wee. No head. His eyes are still looking down. So, sorry, I was silent there for a second. I was trying to figure something out. So which one am I supposed to be? Oh, yeah. Directing? No. Dang it. I'm really slow. I'm almost through the set. I'm almost done. So, really, I'm almost done. So, I will be right back to you when I am done getting right timing. Hello guys, I'm back. And I have actually, I've completed it. You just repeat the process of what you want it to be like. I haven't saved it yet, so I'm gonna save and then I'm going to show you. Wait. So I'm gonna make the video. So you click make video. I'm gonna replace it with, where is it?
What was that? Burrito place called?
Okay, and then it will replay it in slow-mo. So you get to see it in slow-mo right now. See, that is what you call perfect timing. And then it is done. So anyway, once you find it and get to it, this is what it should look like. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next episode of just stuff. I guess, what the heck? Well, anyway.